Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited.
This video is the continuation of the basic knowledge on chart patterns.
In previous video, we had analyzed a triple top and a falling wedge pattern. In this session, we will be analyzing the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. In this, price will be going up and then a rising wedge appear to signal or reversal to the downside. This wedge is the series of contracting price movement. If we connect the highs and lows, we will observe that two lines tend to convert each other. The logic behind the rising wedge is that each price movement buyers are losing power. That's why the wedge progress not over. And buying power is too low. Sellers make price breakout of the wedge to the downside. It is easy to use the same logic as before. The idle entry will happen when price be retraced back to the lower line. The rising wedge to test it as resistance. The logical stop loss is above the highest high in the wedge, and you should try for target that is at least 3 times big as your stop loss. To finalize the reversal chart pattern, we will study a category known as expanding triangles. The bullish expanding triangle. It is a bullish reversal pattern. In that price will be going down and then the spinning triangle will appear to signal or reversal to the upside. This chart pattern received this name because it describes the series of expanding price movement for a progressive increase in walls. The logic behind this pattern as the reversal signal is that the current market player is finalizing the trend for producing an amount for its final drives. In the case of bullish expanding triangle, the current market player are the sellers since price is going down, so they will produce progressively part of price movement to finalize the trend, and after that buyers will pick it up and the price will reverse the direction. That is how that's different than the wedge. When current market player is losing power, a way to trade a bullish expanding triangle is to wait for price to break above the upper line and wait for it to return and retrace back to this line to be tested as a support. The stop should be below the lowest low of the triangle and the target should be at least 3 times as big as the stop loss size. Rest all charts will be analyzed in our upcoming sessions, so stay tuned. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.